Hi friends, this is Fimes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo Z1x smartphone. In this video, you learn how you can use Smart Motion Smart Wake option on your phone Vivo Z1x. First, go to the settings smartphone here and click on Smart Motion. Click on Smart Wake. Here, several functions are available. First option is slide upward to unlock. When your phone screen is off, if you do the following functions, it will be working. Slide upward to unlock. Slide upward like this and phone screen is unlocked. The next, slide downward to take a photo. Now when your phone screen is off, slide downward like this and camera will be opened. You can take a photo now. And third option is draw C to launch dialer. Turn on this and put lock screen. Now draw C on the screen. Dialer will be opened. Then draw M to play music. Then slide horizontal to change music. Then draw E to launch browser. Draw E to launch browser. Yes, browser is opened now. Then draw W to launch WhatsApp. Draw W like this and WhatsApp will be opened directly. Then draw F to launch Facebook. Then draw R to launch email. Yes, it's opened. In this way, you can easily use these functions on your phone. That's all, friends. Bye.